Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to save time and grow your business with email marketing? In this video, I will show you how to create an automation sequence in Mailchimp. Step by step, perfect for beginners. We will set up a welcome series, schedule emails, and make everything run on autopilot. Let's dive in. Now, let's talk about what is Mailchimp automation. Mailchimp automation lets you send emails automatically based on triggers like signups or purchases, build trust through sequences, welcome series, product education, etc. Save time while staying connected with your audience. Today we'll create a welcome email sequence that sends when someone joins your list. First of all, go to mailchimp.com and sign up with the free plan. Click sign up. Now, request demo. Click on request demo section or login if you have already an account. Enter your first name for demo, phone number, business email, website, current number of contacts, and additional. Then click send. Now verify your account with your phone number. I will use a temporary phone number from here. I'll just enter your phone number here, like US phone number. From dashboard, click audience dashboard. Just look like that. Mailchimp dashboard. Make sure make sure you have at least one audience list. If not, click create audience. Name it like newsletter subscriber and add your center information. Now we are ready to create our first automation. So go to your dashboard. Now click on automations from the left sidebar. Then choose, then click create journey or choose pre-built journey. Give your journey a name, welcome series. Choose a starting point, signs up for email list, select your audience list and click start building. You will now be in the visual automation builder. Drag an email step after the trigger like title, welcome to your brand, name. Write a warm intro, include what they will get, discount, newsletter, etc. And add a delay with 1 day. Add a second email Titles like here's what to expect, explain your brand, products, or services. Maybe add a CTA like visit your site, add another delay 2 to 3 days, add a third email, your special gift or tap resources. Give a coupon, free guide, or link to popular blog post. You can add as many steps as you want based on your goals. Now click each email step, choose edit email, use Mailchimp's drag and drop builder, add logo, images, button, text blocks. Make sure to personalize using merge tags like fname, preview, and send test emails to yourself. Now review and start automation. Once your sequence is ready, click Review Journey, check for errors or missing steps, then click Start Journey. Your automated welcome sequence is now live. New subscribers will automatically start receiving emails on the schedule you built. Now go to Reports tab from the left sidebar or Analytics. Then click Campaigns to track open rates, clicks, and unsubscribes. Tweak subject lines or timing to boost engagement. Use A and B testing for even better results. And that's how create and that's how you create your first Mailchimp automation sequence. This welcome series builds trust, boosts conversions, and runs while you sleep. Want a follow-up tutorial on abundant cart emails, product promos, or advanced tagging? Let me know in the comments. And if this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You can automate WooCommerce, Shopify, eBay, etc. from here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.